Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I...
Hi everyone, so I've just landed back into Basel and I'm going to quickly show you a room tour. So as you come in through the hotel, this is what it looks like. So on the left hand side you have a full length mirror. In here you've just got a wardrobe space, and then in the left hand side is the bathroom. So you have a really nice cool mirrors, you have a sink, a toilet, a shower, and I really like the art that's on the wall. It's really cool. And then you come out of the bathroom and you go back into the main hotel room. So here you have a seat, another full length mirror with a desk, and you have coffee making facilities, a kettle, and then you have a TV. You also have this little thing that I've put my bag on, and then you have a really nice big bed with this really cool artwork as well on the wall, and then you just have two bedside tables. You have some more artwork just here, and I really like that. And then the view isn't that great, it's just of the buildings. It's just quite dark in the moment, so you can't really see, but it's just of this building. So it is currently 20 to 12 at night. We're an hour ahead here than of the UK, so I'm just going to order myself some McDonald's and catch up on some YouTube. I've also got a video to edit, so I'm just going to get on with that now. And then tomorrow I don't really have a plan yet of what I'm going to do, but I'm sure we'll find something. It's really pretty, the city, so I will definitely take you along with me, and hopefully get some Swiss chocolate as well. That is definitely on the agenda for tomorrow. So anyway, I'm going to say goodnight to you now, and I will see you in the morning. I'm just on the way back to the hotel now, and I'm going to get a gym workout in, and I'm going to also go for a swim as we have a steam and sauna in the hotel. But I've had a really lovely day in Basel, just been walking around, haven't really done much, and I'm just going to get some food as well before I go have an early night, because pickup's really early tomorrow morning. So I've just done a 20-25 minute walk on the treadmill, got my steps up, and now I'm just in the sauna. I've also been in the steam room as well, and I'm going to also try and swim 10 to 20 laps in the pool. But I'm literally loving life at the moment. It's such a beautiful hotel I'm staying in as well. So I'm back from the gym in the hotel pool area, spa bit, and I've just got changed for dinner. I'm just going to wear this little play suit which I got from Next, but oh my god guys, like it's so embarrassing. So I'd gone into the sauna and the steam room, and no one else was in there, so I did that. Then I swam 10 lengths in the pool. Then I decided to go back into the steam and sauna. So I went in the steam again, no problem. I go into the sauna, there's this old man, he is fully naked. And then he was like to me, "You can't come in here with your clothes on, it says it on the door." It was for nudists, like, so embarrassing. I literally am not going in there naked, or no, not with him in there especially. So I've just got changed, and I'm going to go downstairs to the hotel restaurant with one of the crew. And I'm just going to end this vlog here actually, because it's about 7:30 at night now, and I've got a really early pickup tomorrow morning, and I still need to come back, wash my hair, pack my bags and everything like that. So I'm going to end the vlog here. I really hope that you did enjoy it and it wasn't so boring. I'm going to really try and up my vlogging game actually for my upcoming vlogs. I'm going to try and vlog more in public as well. So we will see. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you in the next one.